Alright, Haley, let's take a look at this. Your changeup is on top. And as we can see from this, you're doing a really great job of keeping your changeup arm speed up to time. I would just watch the very end arm position of each pitch and you are on track. Let me play that again for you one more time. Really quickly. Just gonna move this one. Alright, there we go, Haley. Sorry about this, kid. I have it reset up. I'm just gonna play it for you. Good. Nice job.